guys! That was a creepy intro, but oh my god, look at this. 40 subscribers. Like, I can't even right now. And you guys are so amazing, and we can't thank you guys enough. Just because of you guys, we our next goal, which was 40 subscribers. Now our next is 50. So yeah. So if we can do that, and I hope we can, because I believe in you all. And so, since I love you guys and I'm proud of you guys, and thank you guys so much, we're gonna play a game that I've never played on this channel. It's called High School Beta. I said beta. So we are currently joining this server. Okay, I'm in the server. This is me. It's not loading. As you can see. So I've played this game before, but never played it on the channel. So this is completely new. So I do not like I don't even have makeup on right now. So yeah, I'm gonna put my fairy makeup on. I love that makeup. And hair. Oh no. I really like this hair. That hair's pretty. Ready. But I'm pretty sure once we go into Royale High it would load our look. I'm eating a sucker right now, so that's what you get. I told you. It just re-goes. I'm gonna get my outfit on. Oh wait, no, school's already over. Woo! I'll get my makeup on, cause girl, you need that fancy makeup. Okay, I'm gonna go find myself a dorm and a locker to claim. And yes, as you can see, I've played this before. And then I'm saving up for something, so that's why I have so many. That's why I have so many. I want to claim 17 because it's next to someone that has a colored locker. I'm also saving up for a colored locker, but I already know that I have enough. Look at that. This game is so addicting. I absolutely love this game. It's so fun. What is this? Animations. Oh, that's the animations. No. So basically, what you do in this game is kind of like a beta, because it is. You go to high school. I want to go on this one. Cause what? Oh my god. Oh. God. It's great. There's like a bunny tail. Skirts. Remove skirts. You watch. Tails. What just happened? No, I don't want to. Okay. I will be right back. So now I am ready, and I got that bunny tail off because it was annoying. So now I am gonna go in my dorm, and I have to get ready for the dance. Pretty soon. I'm gonna claim this bedroom. See, now look, it's mine. This is my bedroom. I have a piano. Wait. No, it doesn't work if you just click it. So I'm gonna get ready for the dance. Actually, no. I will see you guys tomorrow when it's the next day of Royale High. Beep 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 ugh, time to get up. Don't like school. I'm gonna open my blinds. Oh, I'm still tired. Oh. My hair is bad, but I'll do that when I get back. I'm tired. Okay. I'm gonna get dressed now. What swimsuit should I wear this time? I like the blue one because I am blue. Just gonna nibble on it. Has no fondue on it from last night. Okay, that was right there. Still super hungry. Can't wait for breakfast. Okay, I'm here. I'm watching hair. Oh my god, it feels amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. I'm going to I'm gonna get my towel on. I'm gonna go back to my dorm in the freezing cold temperature. Wait, no, it's only 40 degrees? Oh, what? In real life, it's only like a few degrees out. That is. Really God. Oh no, I fell over. Ah! You can't see me. You can see me. You can not see me. Lock the door. Okay. So now I'm gonna get my clothes on. What should I wear today? I don't know what I'm gonna wear today. Oh, girl, I like these. I like this. Ooh, do you think that would look fun? Skirt or not? White. Blue. No. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I thought this is breakfast. I was gonna say, oh no. Clothes here. Actually, no. I'm gonna go, skirt, yellow. Nah, white. White. Yeah, I like white. White looks really good, but white is like a normal color. I'm gonna go with, yeah, let's just go with white because it's pretty. Okay, now we gotta do my makeup. My exact same makeup I wear every day. Oh no, my hair looks terrible. First over the side. Nah. No. 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 Actually, no. Well, you know what? We're just gonna go with the simple one. We're gonna go with this one. Now, my wings. I'm gonna go with that one. Cause now I'm gonna do. Oh God, no. Okay, so it's almost time for breakfast, actually. So, what color? I'm gonna do gray, my blackish gray crown, just because. And I'm ready for the first day of school today. Okay, that made no sense, but okay, so we're gonna head on over to breakfast. I'm sorry. Okay, I take it we're already here. Okay. So all I'm getting is some coffee. And so you can see my ticket going through. Now it's a cup. Now you're gonna see it turn to my coffee, girl. I'm sorry, that's so terrible. And loud. Okay, I got my coffee. I'm gonna head over to my fave table. I'm gonna drink my coffee. What's my schedule today? Tomorrow is first computer, and today it's first PE. So we're gonna bump back. PE is one of my fave classes. Hold on. Okay, this girl said just told me she's my dorm mate. Well, that's cool. I'm eating a sucker. So I'll see you guys when PE starts. Hey guys, we're in PE now. It is very cold. It is 22 degrees. Oh God, no, no. Okay, we're running, we're going, baby, we're going. I'm also legit like gonna start. My computer's gonna die in like any second now, so I'm gonna. Oh no! Oh no! I'm stuck. Okay, clearly I'm gonna fail and not get first, but that is okay. My computer's about to die. Okay, guys, we're good. Now we can do. Now we can do our thing. I suck at this. See, people already were ringing the bell. I suck at PE. I'm kidding, guys. I'm not actually that bad when it comes, like, I'm not distracted like I was. Oh my god. My computer almost died. Well, I will see you guys in our next class. Currently at computer class. It's you have to type really fast to be the first one with a lot of these people, so. Done. I memorized my locker. So, yeah. Oh crap. My journal helps me focus on my. Okay. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys in the next. I think I'm gonna end this video here. And if you enjoyed, please tell us if you did, and I will do more video of these. I have to attend class because then I want to F. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and maybe even subscribe to become in the Happy Onion Squad. Bye guys, love you all.